Hi guys, we're at Blankney Station level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe. There we go, we're all back again soon. That was only just off the ground there, look. Right, the time now is 8:12 on Tuesday the 30th of December 2014. This is for our 8:12 2 53 Smithlands train service from Nottingham to Peterborough. And it's a double three. I think this would be the 0800 to Peterborough from Lincoln Central. The windows are all iced up on the old signal box. One of the lights just turned down the carriages. And we have got 153,355. One 153,355 to 153,311 to Peterborough. And up they go. But if I was going to Peterborough from Ruskington, I'd totally get the back coach. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.